Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. Happy Pride Month. I hope everybody is having a great month. So, I'm doing a quick video to give you guys a heads up. As you read in the title, putting education to practice. What's the purpose of going to school, learning all that I'm learning, and not helping you to put some of this knowledge to practice? So, I thought this is what I'm going to shift things, and I'm going to start helping other people understand how they can improve their social media strategy, build a better brand, and build an authentic brand. So, what I got in store for you is I'm going to be going over these three books. So, you'll see them playing in the background. Is the best way I can do this. So, anyway, the first book is going to be Social Media Strategy. We're looking at strategic brand management. And I'm also going to be going over the authentic personal brand coaching brand or brand coaching. These three books are three books that I have used in my course of strategic social media marketing and becoming a strategic social media marketer. And I have found a lot of gems and value and using these three books and learning from these three books. And a lot of times when we learn things, putting them into perspective and putting them into practice, it can become a little cloudy. How do you take all that information and put it into a nice even row so that you can make use of it? So moving forward and continuing with my blog, I've only got, I'm in week 6. So I'll be going over to week 7 next week, then week 8, and then that's it. Then I'll be moving into some new classes. So during that time, I'm also going to continue to share the new classes, but I'm going to continue in a way that gives you an overview of the classes so that you understand what I'm learning, but at the same time, using these books that I have, the information I've gathered in these books to help people like yourself who watch these videos create a better marketing and social media strategy. All right, that's it for today. I know it's a little quick one, and so I just wanted to put that together. And hey guys, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out.